Hey guys, it's Ashley from Jackson Walk. We are going to start our air filter changes next week, and we have a slight modification to the procedures from it. What we're going to do, since your riser room is locked where your air filter is we're going to have a key. And what we're going to do is we're going to provide this key to you after we knock on your door. You're going to unlock your riser room door, which we're fixing to explain how you do that. After that, you give this key back to us. We've got plenty of sanitizer. We're going to sanitize the key, switch gloves, and then switch to the other apartment. So if you have any questions, please let us know. 731-554-9255. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Seth from Jackson Walk. I'm here to show you how to do filter changes with some slight modifications. First we're going to take it out. Sometimes it might be a little jammed in there. A good way to always tell is if you have the numbers facing you. You just slide it in, make sure it's all the way in. Close the door. And it's that easy.
Thank you. So then after we get this, we've got our hand sanitizer. We're going to sanitize the key, change our gloves, and then we will be on to the next apartment. Thank you so much, Seth. So we've also got a different type of air filter. All you've got to do is just twist the metal thing to get the air filter out. We're going to show you how to do that right now. Hi there.
Hi, I'm Seth. I'm going to show you how to do the air filter.
Air filter.
So all it is just this movable metal latch there. You just have to turn it, pull it out as such, and then make sure it's facing the right way. Airflow goes towards the unit. Make sure it's snug in there, there's no loose edges. Flip it back and that is it.
All right, and then hand the key back to the maintenance personnel outside. Thank you so much, Seth.